Hello and welcome to this video. This is just going to be a quick video because, well, I've been working on a few other videos. I've been painting this, so I've been working on that. I've been working on a video where I fixed this is a tailpiece to a banjo, and where I make this. But I have been doing some other things like working on this shower. A few months ago now, I put in a new bathtub and shower surround, and I needed to finish the drywall around it, so I've been doing that. I'm doing the painting. So that and taking care of my little boy. I didn't have time to get those videos done quite yet. So I'll publish those as soon as they're done. I'll close the video by showing this a way of playing the ukulele that I've been trying to learn, and it's been pretty fun. And it's a good entertainment for a baby. He likes to watch me practice. So anyway, okay, this is based off of claw hammer style of playing, like ukulele or banjo or ukulele in this. So I hit it like this, and then I strum it and then pluck. So this is to practice hammer on, slide, and pull off. That's it.